Ya-confirma si Dr. Ivy Iturralde, Head del Epidemiology and Under Surveillance Unit del Oficina de Salud, kay tiene 33 mga persona, elya kada víctima de alegadamente food poisoning. Asugun kun Iturralde durante el press briefing na City Hall antes aga na 33 mga persona, 24 el outpatient y 9 el yaman confine na ospital.
December 9, yan party sila, Christmas party. Bale, empleyado ka sila. Dahil tamen establishment aki na city. And then, hours after, yan complain sila of abdominal pain, LBM, and then otro yan vomit. And then, amukel yan rush kanila na on hospital. And then, subsequently, otro, 24 patients were treated as outpatient, and then 9 as inpatient and admit kanila po.
Asigun kun Iturralde el problema lang, amo kay nuay man sila pwede man trace si kosa komida ya pwede come el mga pasyente. Por causa kay bien atrasaw ya reporta kanila el mga pasyente acerca con el insidente. Si Iturralde habla debe sila ase mag-examine con el mga pasyente dentro el 24 hora del suceso. Pero en este caso, semana ya elia pasa antes pa sila pwede pone bajo na eksaminasyon con el mga pasyente.
This happened last December 10, but was reported to the City Epidemiology Surveillance Unit last Sunday. Unfortunately, we were not able to trace as to the food that was able to cause the poisoning because more than 2 days na since it was reported. So we were not able to get the samples. Samples kasi dapat must be within 24 hours to be submitted for FDA.
Naun privado hotel and restaurant sigun alegadamente yaman food poison el mga pasyente. Pero no hay confirma nombra si Iturralde con este establecimiento. Siendo no hay según sila puede verificar si ali bagayot estaba el comida kaya come el mga pasyente.
Manada kasi events during that time. And then we were trying to single out ko sa el food gad na pwede sila come. But then other functions, siya na kasi similar tamen food eh. So we were assuming that baka siya na food from the outside and then yung liba for their own function.
Pero asigun kun Iturralde, ta continua sila ahora man monitor con este establecimiento y otro pa mga establecimiento de comida na syudad, especialmente si limpyo ba el mga comida que ta prepara sila para kundi ila mga customers.
Days before, the City Health Office conducted inspection on all food establishments to ensure the safety of the consumers. And then for this particular food establishment, continuous yung monitoring and yung food handling lecture on the food handlers.
Marifita Mayo, Dateline Zamboanga.